I'm Joseph Hoffman, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to play a super easy version of Soda Pop from K-Pop Demon Hunters. If you'd like to try a slightly more challenging version of Soda Pop, check out my late elementary tutorial. All right, let's come to the piano to get started. And by the way, the sheet music for Soda Pop is available. It will help you learn this even faster. So get the sheet music, pause if you need a moment to get that using the link provided. All right, take your right hand on your piano and find your middle C, and your finger 1, which is your thumb, will fall on middle C, and then each finger gets a note. And then your left hand will just need one note, one finger. So you can go ahead and place your finger 2 right here on A below middle C. These are the only notes you will need. Now, starting with your finger 3, which is your middle finger, you're going to play 3 and then skip up to 5, your pinky, and then right back down. You're all I. Now you try. So again, we play, skip up, skip down, then step down, step down. You're all I can think. Now you try. Good, now let's add one more note of, here the left hand finally gets a turn. Finger 2 will play this A. Putting all of that together, we get you're all I can think of. Now you try. Now, of course, you can always pause for extra practice if you want to. Otherwise, let's keep going. The next phrase uses that exact same pattern. Every drop I drink up. Now you try. Good. Then in the music, you'll see what's called a rest. That little black rectangle is called a half rest. That means wait for 2 beats. 1, 2. And these are very quick beats, by the way. 1, 2. You're my soda pop. So let's watch that again. Finger 3 plays 2 times in a row. You're my, and then it skips down to finger 1, soda, and then steps up. You're my soda. Just try that far. Go. So 2 E's, then 2 C's. You're my soda, and then it steps up to D right in the middle. You're my soda pop. Now you try. Good. And then we'll play, this time 3 E's, 1 normal, and then 2 really quick for my little. Now you try. Good, and then after those 2 quick E's, my little soda pop, it comes down and plays 3 C's in a row. My little soda pop. Now you try. Now I really suggest singing along as you play. Singing while you play will help you get all the rhythms right and make sure you're playing the notes right as well. Now, let's hear it that far. You can try playing along with me, or you can just listen. Let's go back to the start and put this all together. 1, 2, ready, go. You're all I can think of. Every drop I drink up. Rest, rest. You're my soda pop. My little soda pop. Rest, rest. And there's another one of those half rests right there. So that gives you a little chance to take a break. Now, pause if you'd like some time to practice that section. Otherwise, let's go on. Good news! These notes are the same for this next part. Cool me down, you're so hot. Now you try. Then pour me up, I won't stop. Your turn, go. And then we get another half rest. 1, 2. You're my soda pop. Now you try. And then same thing we had just a moment ago. My little soda pop. Rest. And on that rest, you could do something fun like make that popping sound with your lips. Have lots of fun with this, playing and singing along with yourself. Great job learning to play Soda Pop from K-Pop Demon Hunters. Don't forget that you can support the composers and make it easier for yourself to practice by buying your own copy of the sheet music using the link provided. If you liked this lesson, you can watch hundreds of piano lessons and tutorials for free and ad-free from the Hoffman Academy website. Thanks for watching and learning with me, and happy practicing. This is the best! Scuba diving and exploring the great unknown. Wait, what have we here? Sharky's cave? I'm curious. Wait, is this a good idea? I'll be fine. He's never caught me yet. Huh? What? What are you doing here? I was just doing some swimming, but first I want to talk about your wallpaper. Huh? Teddy bears and choo-choo trains? Really? Choo-choo. What? It's kind of adorable. You better run. Ah!